Welcome to this tutorial on how to make money using Printify. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to start and run a successful print-on-demand business with Printify. By the end of this tutorial, you will understand how to create a store, design products, set prices, and market them to generate income. Click the link in the description below if you want to try Printify for free. Printify is a powerful print-on-demand platform that allows entrepreneurs to sell custom-designed products without managing inventory, handling production, or dealing with shipping logistics. It connects sellers with a network of print providers who manufacture and ship products directly to customers once an order is placed. This business model eliminates the need for upfront investment in stock, making it an excellent option for beginners looking to start an e-commerce business with minimal risk. The best part about Printify is that it integrates seamlessly with major e-commerce platforms such as Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, and even eBay. This means you can list your products on established marketplaces where millions of customers are already shopping, increasing your chances of making sales without needing to drive traffic from scratch. Another advantage of Printify is its wide selection of products. You can choose from various categories such as apparel, accessories, home decor, and lifestyle products. Some of the most popular items include t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, tote bags, phone cases, and posters. With Printify, you can create unique and eye-catching designs that appeal to specific audiences, allowing you to carve out a niche and stand out in a competitive market. Getting started with Printify is simple. First, sign up for a free account on the Printify website. You will need to enter your email and set a password to access the platform. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the dashboard where you can manage your store, create new products, and track your orders. Next, you need to connect Printify to an online store. If you don't have one yet, you can create a store on Shopify, Etsy, or another supported platform. Shopify is a popular choice due to its user-friendly interface and powerful customization options. To connect your store, go to the Printify dashboard, click on Manage Stores, and follow the instructions to integrate with your chosen e-commerce platform. Now it is time to choose the products you want to sell. Printify's extensive catalog makes it easy to find high-quality products that match your brand's vision. Browse the available products and select the ones that fit your target audience. Once you have chosen a product, click on it to start designing. Creating a design is a crucial step in making money with Printify. If you are a designer, you can create your own artwork using software like Adobe Photoshop, Canva, or Procreate. If you are not a designer, you can use free design tools like Canva or hire a freelance designer on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Once you have gathered design ideas, you can hire a graphic designer on Upwork or Fiverr. Many designers from countries like the Philippines offer affordable services, and you can get professional designs created for as little as $10 an hour. Provide them with your research and ask them to create unique variations of popular designs. Make sure your designs are high quality and unique to attract buyers. When uploading your design to Printify, ensure it fits the product template correctly to avoid printing issues. To find the best-selling design ideas, conduct research on marketplaces like Etsy, eBay, Pinterest, and Redbubble. Type in popular keywords like cat t-shirt and analyze the top-selling designs. Take screenshots of the best-performing designs and store them in a Google Drive or Dropbox folder. This research helps you understand what designs are in demand. After designing your products, you need to set the price. Pricing is important because it determines how much profit you will make from each sale. Printify shows you the base cost of each product, which includes printing and fulfillment. To set your selling price, add a profit margin to the base cost. A good profit margin is usually between 30 to 50%. For example, if the base cost of a t-shirt is $10, you can sell it for $20 to $25. Consider competitor pricing and customer expectations when setting your prices. Once your products are ready and priced, you can publish them to your store. Printify allows you to push products directly to your online store with product descriptions and images. Make sure to write clear and engaging product descriptions that highlight the design, material, and any unique features. Use high-quality mock-up images provided by Printify to give customers a realistic preview of the product. One of the best ways to start selling is by listing your products on Etsy and eBay. These platforms have built-in traffic, so people are already searching for items like cat t-shirts or custom hoodies. When a customer places an order, Printify automatically fulfills it and you collect the profit. This eliminates the need for inventory and upfront costs, making it a low-risk way to start. Now that your store is set up, you need to focus on marketing. Marketing is essential for driving traffic to your store and generating sales. Start by using social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest to showcase your products. Create engaging posts, use relevant hashtags, and interact with potential customers. You can also run paid ads on Facebook and Instagram to reach a larger audience. SEO is also important for increasing organic traffic to your store. Optimize your product titles and descriptions with relevant keywords to improve search engine rankings. If you are selling on Etsy, use Etsy SEO best practices by including popular search terms in your product listings. Good SEO helps customers find your products when they search for similar items online. Providing good customer service is key to running a successful print-on-demand business. Respond to customer inquiries quickly and professionally. If a customer has an issue with an order, communicate with Printify's support team to resolve it. Happy customers are more likely to leave positive reviews and recommend your store to others. Analyzing your sales data is another important aspect of growing your business. Use analytics tools provided by your e-commerce platform to track which products are selling the most and where your traffic is coming from. If you notice certain designs are not selling, try creating new ones or adjusting your marketing strategy. Running promotions and offering discounts can also help increase sales. Consistency is key when building a successful Printify business. Keep adding new designs, engaging with your audience, and optimizing your store. It takes time to build momentum, but with persistence, you can turn your print-on-demand store into a profitable venture. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. Now you know how to make money using Printify by setting up a store, designing products, pricing effectively, marketing your store, and scaling your business. Click the link in the description and start today for free. Now, if you're serious about making money online, but making money with Printify doesn't excite you, I have good news. I found a secret side hustle that anyone can do from the comfort of their own home, and it actually pays big money. You can do this on the side while you keep your job, and it can turn into a full-time income within 1 year if you follow proven strategies. 99% of people don't even know about this side hustle, so you're still early. Click the link in the description and watch the free video that explains how this works.